Hey, I've been meaning to talk to you about something really important.
Sure, what's going on? You look kind of worried.
Well, I got some medical tests done recently, and the results were not what I expected. They say I have very little time left to live.
What? Are you serious? How can that be?
I wish I knew, but the doctors seem pretty sure about it. I don't know what to do, man. It's like my whole world has been turned upside down.
I can't even imagine what you must be going through right now. But remember, I'm here for you, no matter what. We'll get through this together.
Thanks, buddy. I don't want to die. I want to live. There are so many things I still want to do. So many dreams I want to chase.
That's the spirit. You can't give up now. We'll fight this together, and you'll see, miracles do happen. You've got so much life left to live.
I know, but it's just so hard to accept. I've always taken life for granted, and now I feel like I'm running out of time.
It's okay to feel that way. It's natural to be scared when faced with something like this. But we can't let fear control us. We need to explore every option and make the most of the time you have.
You're right. I can't give up without a fight. I want to see my kids grow up, experience life's adventures, and make the most of every moment.
That's the spirit. We'll start by seeking second opinions, exploring treatment options, and making sure you're doing everything you can to fight this. And in the meantime, we'll cherish every moment we have.
I'm so grateful to have you as my friend. Your support means the world to me. You've always been there, through thick and thin.
We're in this together, my friend. No matter what happens, you're not alone. And we're going to make every day count.
You know, talking to you has already made me feel a bit better. It's like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
That's what friends are for, right? To share the burdens and make the journey a little easier. And hey, don't forget, we'll also have plenty of fun along the way.
Yeah, we will. I want to create some amazing memories while I still can.
Absolutely. We'll make a bucket list and start checking things off. From traveling to trying new cuisines, to experiencing those adventures you've always dreamed of.
That sounds fantastic. I've always wanted to go skydiving and see the northern lights. And maybe write that book I've been thinking about for years.
Those are amazing goals, and we'll make them happen. It's not just about extending your life, but about living it to the fullest.
I'm really sorry for any confusion, but it seems there was a mix-up with your medical report. It was shared with someone else by mistake. After reviewing your tests again, I can confirm that you are absolutely fine. There's been no diagnosis of a serious condition.
Wait, are you serious? You mean I'm not running out of time?
Yes, that's correct. I sincerely apologize for the earlier mistake. You have no reason to worry. You are in good health.
Oh my goodness. This is the best news ever. Thank you so much, doctor. You've just given me a new lease on life.
What did the doctor say? Is everything alright?
It was a mistake. The medical report got mixed up with someone else's. I'm perfectly fine, my friend. I'm not going anywhere.
That's incredible news. I can't believe it. We were ready to fight this together, but it turns out there's no battle to fight. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for being there for me, through all the ups and downs. I feel like I've been given a second chance at life, and I promise to make every moment count.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.